So imagine this, pricing cost in operating a BPO company, clients who are demanding more, speed, accuracy. And when those things happen, people suffer. That's why right now, some people are describing the workplace to be toxic. Because what we're doing is we are solving a 2026 problem with a 2010 mindset. So here are three steps that we can do to improve the situation. Stop being a manager, start being an architect. We need to raise the level of understanding of the business, which should correspond to where we are right now in the face of our human evolution. So, first, start measuring efficacy or results. Clients want results, they don't care how you do it, but they want results and they want it now. And you can only do that. The second step, create agentic estate so that you have a set of AI agents that can handle different kinds of transactions, whether BFSI, retail, technical support, whatever. And these agentic estate are not affected by surges in volume, and they don't feel the toxicity of the workplace. And for the human resources, we need to make them resources that are not just doing menial work, but doing value adding work, like providing feedback to the bots, providing some ways and means to eliminate AI hallucinations in perfecting the system. That way, they become model trainers, they do more value adding work, they become happier at work. So we are now establishing a system wherein everyone will grow. And when we decouple from the usual revenue scheme, we improve our margin exponentially. So just think about that. That's the future supposedly of the BPO industry, but things are happening fast. It's now. The future is now, right?